I'm going to show you guys what I think is the best method to hook up headlights on your mini bike or really anything that doesn't have an alternator or power supply. You can pick up one of these DeWalt battery adapters off Amazon for around $10 and this very bright LED pod light for around the same, then an optional handlebar on and off switch. Finding room on this Megamoto frame was hard, so I got this piece of sheet metal to give me more room to mount this adapter on. I'm going to notch out a half circle in this piece of sheet metal, so I can get it to fit on the frame close to the rear axle. Perfect fit. Now I'm going to use double-sided tape just to hold the mounting plate in place to make it easier to drill my holes for my mounting bolts. Here is my nuts and bolts, Harbor and Frizzy Special. Once I got everything mounted, I begin to wire it up, which is very easy. Follow diagram to wire light. I use these barb connectors for a quick and easy wire install. Now just running my hot and ground wire. Now that all the wires are connected, let's test it out. Perfect. Now, Let's use some wire loom to hide those wires and give us a more clean and professional look. And she's all done and looking nice. The wire loom really gives it a clean look. She is all done. The wire loom really gives it a nice, clean look. Here is my Coleman 200U EX. I used the same method on this Mini to run a headlight, but I mounted the DeWalt battery adapter in the fake gas tank instead. I'll eventually use a handlebar toggle switch, but for now I'm using the toggle switch that came with the adapter. And again, I used this same method on my Coleman CC 100X. I love this bike, and these headlights are crazy bright. Perfect for night riding around the block.